Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another ride from Wheaton Honda.
This 2015 Toyota Highlander Limited offers the best of both worlds. You get the feeling of luxury at an affordable price. It's equipped with all-wheel drive with selectable 4x4 and snow mode, so those slick winter roads will now pose less of a problem. You can fit up to 7 passengers, or a whole lot of cargo if the situation calls for it. It comes loaded with features like heated and cooled leather seats in the front, heated sliding and folding second row seats, heated steering wheel, panoramic moonroof, power tailgate, reverse camera with park assist sensors, blind spot monitoring, 3-zone climate control, and Toyota downhill assist control. And that's not all. There's also navigation, Bluetooth, JBL premium audio, tinted rear windows, all-weather mats with trunk tray, and a roof rack.
Now if you have any questions, please reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just head down to Wheaton Honda and check it out for yourself.